Good day, everyone. In today's session, we will be discussing previous year polity questions. Do you know how many questions UPSC asked from the legislature chapter in 2024 alone? Yes, 9 questions. If you're skipping this topic, you're losing marks. In this video, I'll take you through the most important PYQs from 2013 to 2024 quickly, clearly, and with smart tricks to remember. Let's start with our first question. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of a money bill in the Parliament? 1. Article 109 mentions a special procedure in respect of money bills. 2. A money bill shall not be introduced in the Council of States. 3. The Rajya Sabha can either approve the bill or suggest changes but cannot reject it. 4. Amendments to a money bill suggested by the Rajya Sabha have to be accepted by the Lok Sabha. Options A. 1, 2 and 4. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1 and 4 only. So before we go statement-wise, let's quickly understand the concept of a money bill. A money bill is defined in Article 110 of the Indian Constitution. It deals only with money matters, such as taxes, government spending, loans, etc. Only the Lok Sabha, lower house, can introduce a money bill. The Rajya Sabha, upper house, has limited powers over it. It cannot amend or reject the bill. It can only make recommendations within 14 days. Lok Sabha can accept or ignore those suggestions. Quick recap, white heavy checkmark. So remember, a money bill is all about taxes, loans, government spending and income, introduced only in Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha has a limited role, defined in Article 110 of the Constitution. Detailed breakdown of articles, Article 110 and 109. Article 110 defines a money bill. A bill is a money bill only if it deals with imposing or changing taxes, government borrowing, spending or withdrawing money from the Consolidated Fund of India. Note, only Consolidated Fund of India. Receipts of money by the government. Matters related to loans, guarantees, or audit reports, CAG. Setting up or using a contingency fund. So, if a bill includes anything beyond these, it is not a money bill. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha decides whether a bill is a money bill. The Speaker's decision cannot be challenged in court. Next, Article 109 explains the procedure for passing a money bill in Parliament. A money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha, not Rajya Sabha. After passing in Lok Sabha, it is sent to the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha cannot amend or reject the money bill, it can only give recommendations. Lok Sabha may accept or ignore these recommendations. Rajya Sabha must return the bill within 14 days. If it doesn't return in 14 days, the bill is considered passed by both houses. This gives the Lok Sabha full control over money bills. Important keyword, Article 110, definition of money bill and Article 109, procedure for money bill. Up to this point, we have discussed the concept of a money bill, as well as the provisions under Articles 110 and 109. Let's now take a look at a statement-based question from UPSC Prelims 2024 and analyze it step by step to understand the correct answer. Statement 1. Article 109 mentions a special procedure in respect of money bills. Correct. Article 109 talks about the special procedure when a money bill is introduced. It states that Rajya Sabha has no power to reject it, only recommend changes. Statement 2. A money bill shall not be introduced in the Council of States. Correct. Only Lok Sabha can introduce a money bill under Article 110. The Rajya Sabha, Council of States, has no such power. Statement 3. The Rajya Sabha can either approve the bill or suggest changes but cannot reject it. Correct. The Rajya Sabha cannot reject the bill. It can only approve it or suggest changes within 14 days. Even if Rajya Sabha does nothing in 14 days, the bill is considered passed. Statement 4. Amendments to a money bill suggested by the Rajya Sabha have to be accepted by the Lok Sabha. Incorrect, misleading line. Rajya Sabha suggestions are not binding. Lok Sabha may accept or reject them. So, amendments don't have to be accepted. Option C1, 2, and 3 are correct. Alright, before we wrap up, here is a quick revision of what we learned today. We learned that a money bill deals only with financial matters and is defined under Article 110. It can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha, and the Rajya Sabha has no power to reject or amend it, only recommend changes. The Speaker decides whether a bill is a money bill, and that decision is final. And remember, Article 109 explains the special procedure for passing a money bill. If this helped you understand the concept clearly, give it a thumbs up and share it with your study group. Don't forget to subscribe for more PYQs with deep analysis, one concept, one mark at a time. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay consistent.